up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are like on the other side of town. It's gonna get a little bit different of like a scenery. But I hope all you guys been doing good, man. Hope all you guys are grinding out. You know, I just love how every single week, bro, there's always something new to learn. So this whole week, man, is learning a whole new thing. Like it's just so awesome that like there's so many jobs I used to be scared of doing, bro, back in the day. And now it's like I taught the skills to actually be able to teach myself and be able to learn anything. It just makes life so much better. It's such a hard skill in the beginning. Like the learning curve sucked, dude. But once you get through it, it's freaking worth it. Just gotta become a man, bro. That's it. Make no excuses. Just get the job done. Just do it. Yo, his turbos sound crazy. What the fuck? Yo, his turbos sound good. What the? Yo. What the fuck? That sounds of what craziest turbos I've ever freaking heard. What kind of turbos are on that thing? Oh yeah, this car sounds crazy. This street is perfect, bro. I love it. See, that's why I love this area, bro. There's so many perfect streets, and then it's only mountains. And then LA is like 45 minutes away. The freaking beach is 45 minutes away. Like, that is like the dream setup. I would love to talk to that guy, but he's going into the mountains, and there's pretty much no place to stop. So, freaking whatever. But that's the kind of Porsche I would love to have. I never heard a Porsche sound that freaking good. Honestly, never heard of. That is actually beautiful, bro. And I still got to tie my pipes, bro. It's just getting under is rough, bro. Like, bro, look at this. I'm in a whole different part of town. This neighborhood was not here. Like, man, these guys just don't stop building houses, bro. Yeah, I got tied in my pipes ASAP, bro. Oh snap, okay. Today's a little windy, so the quality doesn't look like that crazy, like the air quality. But it's actually not that bad right here. Where we live, bro, it's like perfect. It's not too cloud. It's not too like, the weather's not too bad. Oh, it's 8 now, shoot. Anyways, these houses are like super freaking expensive. Again, bro, like it's just crazy. Like, I was thinking about today, I'm like, man, what would I rather do? Would I buy a house, or would I rather buy like a property I can at least like rent out or something? Probably something to rent out, probably not residential. Because I'm gonna be real with you guys, like the tax advantages that come with buying real estate is so powerful. Like even Trump talks about it. So it's legal, which is sick, and it makes you actually want to invest. So I'd rather, dude, I just keep thinking about it. Every week I'm thinking about it, because I'm gonna be completely real with you guys. Starting business and all this stuff, it comes with a whole different thing. Like there's so much more that goes into it than just like starting a business that nobody talks about. And you know, everyone's just becoming professional stock traders and this and that. That's like the only thing I see anyone pursuing now is just stocks, which is great long term, but day trading, bro, I'm good on that. I tried it, it was cool, but what pissed me off the most was like when I wait on a setup, it doesn't come. Now I gotta wait like for another day to even make a trade. Like I'm sorry, but I'm not trying to wait a whole ass day to make money. Like I'm trying to, like, to be able to live a good life, bro, you gotta make just over $1,000 a day. And that is doable in a lot of different freaking ways, rather than like day trading and potentially losing that 1K, you know what I mean? Now, of course, if you find a strategy, of course you're set, but I mean, there's so much other things you can do that can make, so there's so many different ways of making easy money. There's no point to even go through that stress. turbos on that Porsche, I've honestly never heard any car with any time. I've never heard of turbos like that. Like, how do if I get a Huracan, that's the kind of turbos I want on my car, like to sound like that. Just so vivid, so vivid. Like, you know that dude has a freaking turbo on that thing. Like, it's more, like, obviously my M5 sounds good, but that one, bro, there's something about those turbos that just sounded insane. Man, I hope all you guys are pursuing your dreams, man. I hope all you guys are pursuing something, working hard. Right now, bro, at the end of the day, blue collar is like the best bet right now. Blue collar is the best bet. Nobody wants to do it. Woo! Nobody wants to do it. You don't need a degree to start. You just start at a lower pay and learn, bro. There's so much people. I don't know why anyone would be complaining. Like, I legit have friends, like even the guys I've hired. Everyone starts at the same pay because nobody knows anything. Nobody has any foundation, which is fine. That's how it is. Everyone starts at a low pay, and the more you know, the more you get paid. Period. Right? Even at the lowest pay, these guys are making 4,000, 4,500, 5,000 after taxes, which is really good money starting off. It's really good money, and they don't know nothing, right? Bro, 4,000 or 5,000 a month tax free, you can easily afford a freaking Hellcat, and it'll only be 1/4 of your payment. Obviously, don't freaking do it. You should do other stuff. But that's what I'm saying. People don't get it. Like, buying these cars is not rough. Like, buying Lambos is freaking rough. That's what I'm trying to do next. But it's freaking, you gotta be smart with it. Because I can't just buy a Lambo. Like, I need to have a lot of money coming in from somewhere else. Like, I need to make so much money that, like, if the engine breaks or trans breaks, like, that's like I hit the bank. Like, that's how much extra dough I need on the side before I buy any Lamborghini. Like, I want at least like 200K on the side, so in case anything happens. Woo! I don't know how these tires still got grip. Like, honestly. Oh yeah, those tires are burning. This ground's rough, so it's gonna destroy my tires if I keep doing that. Woo! Freaking love this thing, bro. Oh my gosh, is Logic's headquarters here, bro? That building's freaking beautiful. I love Logic's, by the way. Logic's is that's the place I got my bank loan for my loans for my cars, and they offer me the lowest rate too. Like, these guys are sick. I love these people. They legit saved me from like a crappy loan. Like this car when I first got it, the loan was so dookie. I just love how close I am to freaking LA still. Like, this area used to be affordable. That's why we even moved here in the first place. Now, I mean, nothing in LA is affordable, period. Even if you go freaking middle of nowhere, it's expensive. So right now, dude, I'm just gonna focus on learning, growing the business, teaching my guys, help them make money, and just funnel everything back in and buy machines and funnel everything back in to a point where, you know, I can, as long as you work hard, you'll be blessed. You know, that's gonna be like my thing. Like, as long as you put the work in, you'll get what you deserve, you know? Oh, fuck. Dude, that hurt my freaking ears. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh, look at all Aerospace. Same freaking, look at this Aerospace building. Another one. Dude, this is also, well, not this one's, the ones behind it. All there's so much, dude. There's so much Aerospace everywhere. Like, I don't know why people are surprised they making money. Like, making money is not freaking hard. Like, when people say diamond money over a Hellcat, that's when you know you're just freaking lazy. Like, I know dudes at Starbucks that own a Hellcat. Obviously, it's not freaking smart, but you can make good money, bro, working at Starbucks. You just not gotta be lazy. Freaking get off your butt and go work, bro. Once you actually get off your butt and go work, you'll see how freaking easy it is. I love this thing, bro. You can feel the freaking power on this thing. I love this thing, dude. Oh, no. I don't care what anyone's gonna say, bro. People be saying this car's slow. I can literally care less. I like how this car's not smooth. But I really want to consider, like, someday get a Demon 170. It has a bigger supercharger on it, obviously more power too. Like, I really am gonna consider getting a D170, and of course I'm for sure gonna be driving it for work. I don't care what anyone's gonna say. Like, I'm gonna be driving for work, and it's gonna be under the business because it's gonna be a business vehicle. So I'm gonna use it for sure, bro. It makes the most sense. Like, you only live once, bro, so might as well. Just gotta make more money. Oh my. Nah, this thing is, I love this thing, bro. Hope you guys enjoy this video, man. Every week, it's another week. Like I said, I keep saying time flies, and really freaking does. That's what I'm saying, bro. Work 5 days a week. Work 10, 12 hours a day. Everything passes anyways. The harder you work now, the more you can relax when you get older. Like, if there's anyone that's in their 20s right now, please, bro, please get a job. Something to do with mechanical. I prefer both electrical and mechanical, so you can learn both sides of the field. There are two different fields, and there's, I mean, being a mechanic is cool, but if you're not learning how to do the electrical side as well, you're missing out big time. That's what I love about the business I have now. Like, the guys I'm training, they're not just learning mechanical, they're learning both mechanical and electrical at the same time. It's very aggressive. You know, sometimes people learn slower because it's like a lot of different things all at once. But what you put in is what you get out, bro. It's a killer field, and you're set for life. So you gotta just do it, and you gotta just not be lazy and work 10, 12 hours a day, every single day, and no matter what, you will succeed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.